What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for our December company for Year of the Beard, the Bearded Banshee. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, so today, like I said, is the unboxing for our December company for Year of the Beard. Now, it could be our final one because we don't have a whole lot of interest in 2022 right now. So this could be our final unboxing for Year of the Beard series. So let's dive in and see what we get to use for the month of December. So let's see if I can do this or if I need a knife. Oh, it opens. And I will tell you before I even get into this package that one of my favorite things about this package is the color. All right, this color, it stands out. It is green, it is bright green, and it stands out in the mail and with other packages. So kudos to you for that. So let's jump in and see what we have here. So let's just unload because there's a lot of stuff in here. Now, I did look over the scent profiles over at the Bearded Banshee. Now, I didn't pay a whole lot of attention, memorize them or anything like that, but I can tell you that everything that I read sounded amazing. So I don't remember scent profiles, but we've got a business card here, the Bearded Banshee Premium Organic Beard Care Products, with email, website, and a phone number, product purposes and tips. So we've got all that information on this one business card. So pretty cool there. We've got a QR code. We'll have to check that out, see what it is. And we have a sticker. I love this logo, the Bearded Banshee. All right, so let's dive in. Everything is bubble wrapped, so I'm just going to unwrap, get all our trash set to the side, and then we will dig in and talk about some of these products. So if you don't follow the Bearded Banshee over on Instagram, you need to get over there and check him out. He is always putting pictures up, doing mail drops, dropping mail off at the post office to be sent off. He is all just doing shows, doing like market venues and stuff. So you've got to get over there and check out the Bearded Banshee on Instagram. I will try my best to put it in the description below, but his Instagram, just look up Bearded Banshee on Instagram and you will find him. So I can get all this bubble wrap. Everything is wrapped up really well. Really well. I already see something that I need to touch on as well. So, and we'll get there in just a minute. So the Bearded Banshee is based out of Texas. All right, so I think I know what this is in this standalone package. And it is what I think it is. So we're gonna do that last. So let me get all my trash put up. All right, so it looks like we have 3 oils and 3, that's a balm, that's a butter, and that is a beard wax. So we have 3 different products there and we have 3 scents. We have Texas Thunderstorm. Look at that. Red, white, and blue. It's just a killer logo and label. This one is Backwoods. All right. And then we have the Veteran. All right. So we just had Veterans Day last month. So this will be a good one. And then our other ones, we have Beard Butter in Freedom. We have Beard Balm in the Cabin. And we have Beard Wax in White Lightning. All right, so, and I hear something rattling around. Could it be, it's not a pick, but we have a, guess what this color is? Lime green. These jars are green. These bottles are green. Love the color scheme and what it is. It's just awesome so far. So let's just jump into the butter and do these jars first. So this one is Freedom, and we don't have a scent profile on here. So, but ingredients on the butter: white beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and essential oil fragrance. So let's get this off. Again, we've got our little scooper there, and I love these protective caps. I can't remember, there was another company that did those, and I loved them. Oh my gracious. Freedom. And it smells so good. I can't tell you what I'm picking up. My nose on first impressions, I've been wrong so many times, I'm scared to guess. But it smells really good. All right, so Beard Balm. This is the Cabin. So let's get this one and see. Again, look at that. Ooh. That almost is like a, almost cedarish, kind of like a rustic scent. That smells really good. All right, so the ingredients on the balm: white beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and essential oil fragrance. And then we have some beard wax in White Lightning. Let's get all this out of the way. Ooh. It's a very subtle scent, at least in jar. And these are glass jars too, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that, but these are glass jars. And it doesn't tell me a size on them, but let's see. Ingredients on the, what is this? Beard wax, white beeswax, shea butter, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and essential oil fragrance. Smells really good. It's kind of subtle, so we're definitely going to have to check out the website on that one. All right, so let's just grab the Veteran. Got red, white, and blue. Again, this is a 1 ounce bottle. Ingredients on the oil: coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, and essential oil. So, essential oil, if you've watched my channel very long, I am a firm believer that essential oil, the scent's really not gonna pop until you warm it up. I didn't bring anything out here, and I'm not gonna start using these until December 1st. And so I can't get my hands in it yet. I'm just telling you what I get out the bottle. All right, so we have a pretty clear oil that pulls about halfway up the dropper. This is the Veteran. What is that? It smells really good, but it's very subtle in the bottle. All right, so we're gonna have to try that one out, check that one out. So there's nothing on here about the scent. All right, so the next one, let's go with Backwoods. So we've got our white label on this one. I think this is the standard label. Again, there's no scent profile. Looks like same ingredients, if I can hold on to that. Coconut, sweet almond, jojoba, yep, same ingredients, which is what I like for Year of the Beard. I like same ingredients. Again, another clear oil. Let's see. Ooh. What is it, Backwoods? That smells like, that smells like Backwoods. That smells like the woods. I love this scent. Let's get it a good shake again. Yes, that smells like being outdoors. All right, and then our last one is Texas Thunderstorm. Gonna guess rain. Let's see. Okay, that's kind of a, I think I get a hint of spearmint in that, but it smells good. So guess what? We get to test all these out. Then we also have some wicked wax melts, campfire cologne. All right, so let's see. Ooh, that smells so good. Those are our products we get to use for the month. Now let's dig into what's in this bag here. I'll show it to y'all first. I don't even know what it looks like. But we have a shirt. It is Bearded Banshee, red. On the back, what's up, Bearded Broskies? We use Red Friday as a way for military families as well as civilians to show solidarity and support for all military personnel, regardless of rank or location, regardless of whether military personnel are stateside, stationed abroad, or on a float. So check that out. That's the back, and that's the front. Really cool shirt. So I'm telling you, get over, check out the Bearded Banshee. We're going to be talking about these products all month long. Don't know what kind of order we're going to go in, but we got a lot to talk about this month, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I will tell you, I do like the fact that the shirt was packaged separate in bubble wrap, sealed up. That way, in the event anything product-wise leaked, broke, or anything like that, it's not going to get on your apparel. So that's always a huge plus. A lot of times those just plastic bags they go in, those don't really work very well unless it's a Ziploc. But huge touch, nice touch, and yeah, I'm telling you, so far so good. I'm loving this. I'll have to have some scent profiles ready for you for updates, so get ready. That's all I've got for today, guys. So, and the sun's peeking through. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.